Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Welcome to your science class. So, in the last class, we have finished our reading of unit number 8, Light, and today we will going to do the book exercise of unit number 8, Light. So, student, kindly open the book page number 50. Write down today's date, 7th January 2021, and the day is Thursday. So first of all, we will do the question number 1 on page number 50, and the question number 1 is answer the following question. Question A. Where does the light on the earth come from? Light on the earth comes from? What do you think? From where the earth get its light? Yes, it suns. So light from the earth comes from the sun. Light on the earth comes from the sun, as we know that sun is the biggest source of light and energy. So we get the light from the sun. What is a luminous object? Sun is a luminous object. So what we can say? What is the definition of luminous object? A luminous object which give out light. Luminous object gives out light. Which gives out light. These are called luminous object, and the examples are torch, light, sun. Question C. What is a non-luminous object? A non-luminous object cannot give out light, because luminous object gives light. A non-luminous object cannot give out light. And for example, moon, boat, cardboard, they do not give us light. So they are all are the non-luminous object. Question D. Can we see objects in the dark? Can you see the object in the dark? If I will close the light, so can you see in the dark room? No. So the answer is we cannot see things in the dark. What you will write? We cannot see things in the dark. Question E. Is the moon a luminous body? Moon cannot give its own light. So how the moon is luminous body? Moon is a non-luminous object. So what we will write? The moon is not a luminous body, because moon cannot give its own light. So the moon is not a luminous body. Question F. How is a shadow formed? A shadow is formed when an opaque object is placed in the path of a light. So when the opaque object blocks the light, the shadow is formed. Write down these answers in your book. Now come to the question number 2 on page number 50. Question number 2 is we have to fill the table to show if light can or cannot pass through from these material and object. So the first they have solved it by themselves. The first one is air. As you know that air is a transparent, yes, because outside we can see through it. This is not translucent, not opaque. Now the second option is tracing paper. So with the tracing paper, can you see it clearly? Transparent. The tracing paper is transparent? No, we cannot see the things clearly. So this is not transparent. Tracing paper, we can see the things partially. So the things we can see partially is known as translucent. So yes, the tracing paper is translucent. It is not opaque. Number C, water. Yes, we can see the water, we can see through the water, we can see the fish in the water. The water is a transparent, yes, not translucent, not opaque. Book. We cannot see the book from the other side because the light blocked from the book. The book is an opaque object. So it is not transparent, not translucent, it is an opaque. Frosted glass. If your window is little bit frosted, so the partial light comes, not the whole light you can see. So this is not transparent, it is a translucent object and not opaque. The last one is ball. The ball is also solid. It blocks the light. It makes the shadow. The ball is not transparent, not translucent. It is opaque. Kindly mark these. Fill this table. And now come to the question number 3 on page number 51. And the question is, fill in the blanks to complete the statement. Blank A. All lights on the earth come from the, just we have learned it, from where the light comes from the to the earth. Sun, from the sun. Very good. All light on the earth comes from the sun. Blank B. A dash object give out its own light. A luminous object gives out its own light. The moon is a luminous object. No, moon do not have its own light. So the moon is non-luminous object. Something which lets light pass through, it is from which object the light pass through. With opaque? No. The transparent object in which the light can pass through. The dash of an object is the same shape as the dash of an object is the same shape as the object. The shadow of an object is the same shape as the object. Kindly fill this answers. Okay, student, kindly learn these book activities. Inshallah, I will see you in the next class. Take care.